We have a very simple structure with the city is home to people. London is home to Maria, Madrid is home to Oscar, Vienna is home to Klaus, and so on. On the other hand, we also have that Klaus lives in Vienna, Maria lives in London, and so on. And we have the possibility with the default form to generate the user interface automatically from the structure and its data. And this is in both directions from the entity. Like Maria, default data form. Maria lives in city London and in the city Vienna, so it's working in both directions. But we want to add now different entity types to the city, and one is the number of inhabitants. So I generate a new entity type, inhabitants, and the data type is not none, but it's numerical, and therefore we choose number. And instances are values, that's correct, and therefore we create it. And now there is no default data form, and it's still not connected to the data model. Therefore we need to generate an association between the city is home to people and has inhabitants inhabitant number, which is a number, and the reverse inhabitants inhabitant number live in city. As every city only has one number of inhabitants, it's singular, not multiple. Therefore this is correct, and we generate it and close it. Now it's attached to the city. And if we now go to London and call the default data form, we see that there is a new field, and we can enter the amount of, let's say, 8 million inhabitants living in London. And we also enter the 3 million inhabitants living in Madrid. Did not save it, so I need to save it first, and in Vienna we have about 2 million inhabitants. We can add any number of attributes to the city and connect them together. That's it. Thank you very much.